do that shit again though. I just want to be strapped in for it.
Alright, I'm on my way to UTV Chris's house. We met on Instagram. He's got a Kuberg and a UTV. So we're about to have a good old time.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah, I'm in my zone.
Hey, look at you.
You got the same shit. Mine's lighter, dude.
Right?
Mine's way lighter.
RC cars inside.
That's where I make my mess.
This one was sitting for like 6 years. This one has been giving me the most problems I've ever had. I'm ripping around in this one. It's 100% electric. Lasts about 2 hours. Does about 25 miles an hour with 3 people on it. Spicy. The mini, dude. It's my little kid's electric bike. It does fine.
Oh my god.
I don't think this is allowed. It's an RC battery. I don't have a system to regulate the 58 volts to 12 volts or anything.
lost, or you can go that way and get lost. Oh, that was painful. Absolutely beautiful ride. What I would do if I were you is go to that stop sign and then just jump it this way. How does it feel compared to the Kuberg?
This thing feels like a fucking motorcycle. Feels like a motorcycle. That feels like a bike.
Alright, hot take, hot take.
This is bad, dude. Ready?
Yep.
want to be strapped in for it. Oh my god.
I'm gonna rip a little bit more, right?
Yeah.
I'm just trying to
Holy fuck.
big bees, sell us some arenas. I'm on. You know it's my phone, you catch it out. I need a penny to show the pretty girl that can listen to banging out. Maybe
Oh my god. Bro, I'm dying.
Rapping on good medication.
That thing is
It's a little faster and it's a little more expensive.
Yeah.